From Daily Forex, this is Chris taking a look at the euro and the British pound. As you can see, the euro has had um, a pretty significant bounce above 110, and right in this area here, right where we're closing out the day, it looks to me like we are facing a pretty significant resistance. If we can break above the 111 level, then I think the euro goes much higher. Truthfully, though, I think on Friday, I'm going to stay away from this. I think it's more important to pay attention to the weekly chart and see what we have. You can see that there's a little gap here from these two weekly candlesticks. That's kind of right where we're at. So a little difficult to kind of jump in with any confidence. And I'll be the first one to tell you that if I don't know, then I don't know. Now, at the end of the day, we may have a little bit of clarity on Friday. Below 110, it starts selling. Above 111, start buying. Either way, it looks like we've got quite a bit of distance that we could cover. And right now, it's just a 50-50 toss-up. British pound, a little bit more positive. To me, it looks like the pound is trying to find a longer-term bottom. Typically, that longer-term bottom has a pullback where you get a higher low. So that's kind of what I'm thinking here. We'll see, though, the British pound under a lot of pressure due to the UK essentially being locked down. So that is something to pay attention to. 122.5, also an area that I think is going to cause some resistance. So again, this might be one that we want to see how it closes the week out. You know, looking at the weekly chart, pretty good candlestick, but still haven't taken out the previous week's candles. So maybe a relief rally, and that's the problem. That's kind of where we're at right now. If we break down from here, we could go as low as, say 116 or so and still prove the bottoming process viable. Underneath 120, I'd be a seller, but I'd also not be looking for the world here. Above 122.5, then that changes some things, but I don't think we get there today. So either we break down or it's probably one that you want to be on the sidelines for.